a public transport system making more than 65,000 trips a day, driver safety is now getting renewed attention in Bengaluru. The Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation has launched a special training initiative for its driving staff. The program was conducted at the Traffic Management Center with support from the Police Department. The training comes as PMTC operates across 1,811 routes and carries millions of passengers every day. Police officials use the program to brief drivers on handling traffic, following road regulations, and avoiding situations that could lead to accidents. Special emphasis was placed on precautions while driving buses through heavy traffic. PMTC currently has more than 17,400 driving personnel, including drivers and driver-cum-conductors. Of these, nearly 3,000 drivers are engaged in operating electric buses. The corporation is not limiting the exercise to a single program. Regular safe driving sessions are being held at the Vadarahalli Training Center, along with weekly awareness programs at the zonal level. BMTC said the continued training is intended to sharpen driving skills, reduce accidents, and improve passenger comfort and safety. The corporation is promoting the message Safe Driving, Safe Journey as part of its wider effort to make Bengaluru's public transport system safer and more dependable.